Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this time from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. And believe it or not, I'm in a really good mood. You know why, right? It's because it's after 4 o'clock, the markets are closed. I just realized that we're one day away from the weekend, and I really need it bad. So grab yourself a drink. Cheers! It's happy hour in the Big Apple. Now, it's been quite the strong afternoon for stocks right here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange as investors continue to take in a rise in oil prices by 5.25%, as well as mixed economic reports. Now, on the economic front, we first begin with weekly jobless claims figures coming in at a read of 278,000. That was below expectations, calling for 290,000. However, that was above last week's read of 267,000. At the same time, non-farm payrolls falling a greater than expected 1.8% in the fourth quarter, while the U.S. trade deficit, that continued to widen. It even widened to its highest level since November 2012 by jumping a total of 17.1% to come in at $46.6 billion. Now you team all of those mixed reports with a weaker U.S. dollar, with weaker gold prices, and of all things, crude oil staging quite the rebound, up more than 5.25% after falling nearly 9% yesterday. And you have yourself a session today where, for the most part, where every 3 shares rising, we only had one decliner here at the stock exchange. Let's now take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to not just close out the day, but to close out the second to last day of the trading week. And on the corporate front, we focus on Pfizer as shares of the pharmaceutical giant surging more than 3% intraday on news of its acquisition of Hospira for about $15 billion in order to gain access to biosimilars. Biosimilars are copies of biotech drugs made from living cells. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow. And hey, it's a Friday. Continue that smile. And until tomorrow morning, from ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Sweeney.